How to insert Excel data into Word in Excel. 35 years ago, the thought of placing data from Excel into Word or PowerPoint was mind-blowing in the world of office suites. Today, there's nothing to it. Whether you're taking data cells or a full-blown graphical chart, copy and paste into the other program. The thing to be aware of is, this is a link and embed process. If you change the data in the spreadsheet, it'll change in the Word doc or PowerPoint PPT, too. If you don't want that, paste it as a graphic. Use Word's own paste special tool for that. Or, when taking it from Excel, go to the Home tab at top, select the Copy menu, and use the Copy as Picture option. Then you can paste the graphic into any program at all.